Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my Grow with Grace video day or binder day, where I have some challenges that's going to take me a while to complete with $100 in prop money. So let's get started. We have this, say, 2026 and 2026. This could be found in my Etsy or in my Kofi. And this is saving for taxes for next year. And we got pink. What we gonna do for pink? Let's go ahead and do the 24 or the let's do, because I want to finish some other ones. Let's go ahead and do the 20. Let's do the 20 here. How are you guys doing? How is your savings going? So we got the $20. I'm thinking about revamping some things. You know how that goes. Next is vacation. And this is created by Mint Dough. This says $1,200. This is so this is going towards vacation. So what shall I do? Should we just roll a D20? I should put way more than 20 here. Let's see. 5. That didn't help me out. So I don't want to do 5. Should we go again? 13. Let's do this 13 here. Because 5 is like, what? Let's do 13 and 2 for 15. Let's do 15. Should I do? Look at me. I want to do more. Let's do. Let's do this 9. Let's go ahead and do this 9 too. Okay. So do I have a, let's do 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Perfect. So we are putting 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 in here, which is awesome. And we might come back to this, because our vacation is coming up, which I know I probably won't finish that one, but that's okay. Next we got, let's finish this one. This one is for my son's senior year, class of 2026. It's coming right around the corner. Never let them dim your light. So what we have left on here is, do we just got 2, 3, and 5 left? I think so. So that's $10. Is that everything? I think so. So $10. Do you guys see any that I missed? So 3, 5, 10. Let's go and make sure we did everything. It will look like we finished this. Yay. So let's see. Let's count her up, because this doesn't say how much is saved. So we got 50, 70, 90, 100, and 5, 7, 8, 9. So $109. That is perfect. So we're going to put 109. Perfect. Hopefully one supposed to be 110, but like I got everything. So 109. That is a completed challenge. Do I need some? I don't have no ones to give, do I now? All right, and next we got month ahead. Ooh, look like we might finish this one too. Okay, this is created by Champagne's Corner. And let's see what we got here. This is, yeah, for month ahead. Times 2. Oh dear. Here we go. What is the car? 3. So that's $6. We can do that. So that times 2 wasn't too bad. So let's finish her up. And we got the house here. And the house is $1. Look at that. And we simply can use this over again and just cross off what we finished. But so let's see how much total we are putting for a month ahead. We got 50, 60, 70, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. $76. So let's put that. I didn't know we was finishing all these. So 76 here. Perfect. So that's month ahead. We just put little by little in there. And then let's go to emergency funds. Oh, emergency funds is created by Budget and Introvert. This is 1,200 plus. And this whole book of Ants and Friends. And I forgot, I was supposed to go back and fix this, I think. But that's okay. So we are here. And let's roll a 6-sided die. Let's use this one. And what I say here. And let's say our next row is going to be even. And we got a 2, so it's even. So we are correct with an even. So even is $4. So you put in 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's do this. We over here, yeah. So let's do odd this time. And it's odd. Odd is $2. 1 and 2. Uh-oh. So what we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $6. I want to do something else. What shall we do? Did I skip this one? I did. How did I skip that? I did something wrong here, guys. What did I do? I put 2 numbers here. Oh, that's supposed to... I said even, right? Hold on. What did I do? Oh, dear. Let's erase that. And I think the 4 was supposed to go here. And I think this 4 was supposed to go here. I think. Yeah. Oh, dear. This is going to... I don't know what I'm doing, Gems. Because that's there, that's there, that's there, that's there, that's there. Okay. I think I'm just going to... I don't know. I got to come back and fix this because I'm just getting all kind of confused. So let's go. Should we color in a ice cream cone? Let's do an ice cream cone for $5. Let's get this color. And will this pink show up? It's all right. And then let's do the brown. And each ice cream cone is $5. $5 a scoop for a single scoop. All right. So we are putting $11 in here. And this one was be $100. And then the odds and evens would be a mystery save, of course. I kind of want to do something else. But we gonna wait. All right, next, and that was for emergency funds. So next is the most basic saving challenge. Oh my dear. Okay. And this is created by Celisa, Beautifully Me and You. You can find this on Amazon. And this, like I said, this whole book saves you $15K, which I think I have decided to put this towards student loans. Yes, dear honey child. So, ooh, we can finish this one. $19, $11. What? So this is the second 100 we are completing. So 9, 10, 11, right? Okay. So let's go ahead and color that in. It's so exciting. So let's do a purple here for 5. Get this on colored in. All right, and should I do another? Let's switch her up. Let's do a, let's get the green. And let's, no, green, I don't know. I don't know. I need some new marker. I mean, I don't need any. I meant to color that right there, but oh well. I don't need any more markers, but I want some more markers. I'm so proud of myself that I didn't go to Hobby Lobby this week. Even though I'm itching to. Perfect. And it's a festival going on this weekend too. But I want to go to that, but I don't know. I don't know. Let's do pink. It's a maple festival. I don't think I've ever been to it, but it sounds fun. Are you guys saving up for any summer adventures, festivals, carnivals? I'm thinking I should start because I love going to those things. Especially like the craft fairs. Those are my favorite. So, okay, that's $11. So we should have $100 in here. Let's see. So we got 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 97, 98, 99, 100. We got the second 100. We got the second 100. So let's go to the, that's the first 100 we finished. So let's go to the second 100 here. And let's color that one orange. Ooh, I meant to put this on here. Oh, nothing happened, so let's put this second 100. This is my little tracker here. Say, yeah, you did it, sweetie. You did it. Perfect. And next, we'll be moving to the next 100. And let's go ahead and put this where the next 100 is. Where are you, darling? Where are you? I should start these big ones. I'm going to finish this next 100 and then we might move We might do the bigger ones next. Did I pass it? These are the squares. And we are going to do, I'm going to call them arches, I guess. Or windows. I don't know. These are, we're going to call them domes. So we are going to do this one next. Should I just put $1 in there just to get it started? Nah. We ain't in a rush to pay them student loans. Just kidding. So $100 complete. So dang, Jones, look at that. We finished the 100 for the most basic challenge. We finished the month ahead. We finished the senior year one. And we still got some money left. We got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17 left. So what I'm going to do is go to the vacation. And let's see. 17. Let's do I wanted to complete like these rows here. So let's do, hold on, let's get the calculator. 8 and 7 is 15. What else I got? 17, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's do 8 and 7. So let's do this 8 here. So we closing this roll off, and then we can do this 7. And then I can put, what should I put the next $2? Okay, let me, hold on, one thing at a time. So let's put that in here. Should I just do the 2 on here? I mean, I should. Yeah, let's go ahead and put the next $2 in here. So let's go here and put this $2 here. Perfect. All right. Boom. That is it. $100 well saved. And then I gotta just put some new challenges in here. And that is it. All right, Jims. Thank you so much for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Jims.